Welcome to learn about this CDD10P medium level order picking pallet stacker. Powered by electricity, efficient and stable, it brings a brand new operation experience to warehouse logistics. With 1,000 kilograms rated load and accurate loading center design, it offers reliable loading and safer operation. Wear-resistant polyurethane wheels, combined with high-quality driving and carrying wheels, ensures smooth running and flexible steering. Compact structure, small turning radius, suitable for standard pallets, and flexible in narrow spaces. The mass lifts smoothly, with a lifting height of up to 3,000 millimeters and a maximum working height of 5,245 millimeters, meeting multi-level picking and stacking needs. Balanced speed for empty and loaded conditions, smooth lifting and lowering, strong climbing ability, efficient without delay. Electromagnetic brake is safe and reliable, with quick emergency stop response, fully protecting operators. This is a warehouse handling equipment integrating efficiency, safety, flexibility, and durability. Help enterprises reduce costs and improve efficiency, making warehouse logistics smoother and more efficient.